Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Clara's Creation. Clara's Creation present moral stories. Myself, the creator of Clara's Creation, Clara Rodriguez. Lead kind light is a motto. Star is a symbol. Raja or Chua, a story in Hindi. I have brought up the story for you students in Hindi. 15th of October was marked as the birth anniversary of our former president APJ Kalam, and this day was declared as Vachan Divas or a reading day. Keeping that in mind, I brought a story in Hindi, Raja or Chua, for my English medium students. And those students who are weak in Hindi, you cannot read Hindi. I've typed the first introductory part of the story in English for you. As you can see, Raja and Chua, the title is typed in English so that you can hear the words and pick up Hindi words. एक गांव में एक चूहा रहता था। पीपी उसका नाम था। वो गांव पर घूमता रहता था। एक दिन उसे एक चिंदी मिली, कपड़े का टुकड़ा। Now these sentences I read out in Hindi, but I've typed in English. As I said it, if my student is weak in Hindi, first he will read the English type words, listen to it once, twice, learn to speak those words, and then gradually you may learn to read them. Second page of the story. चूहा कपड़ा लेकर पहुंचा दर्जी के दुकान पर. Now over here, I have typed it in Hindi as well as in English because I expect you to go slow with your reading. So you have taken both the things, the Hindi language as well as the English language. लेकर दर्जी के घर पहुंचा, टोपी की आस, हाथ जोड़कर किया नमस्ते, चिंदी दर्दी पास. Got it? See the difference because we cannot have actual word to word translation. But still, for your understanding, I have typed in English as well as in Hindi. लेकर दर्जी के घर पहुंचा, टोपी की ले आस, टोपी की ले आस, हाथ जोड़कर किया नमस्ते, चिंदी दर्दी पास. Now here I have not taken the help of English. लेकर दर्जी के घर पहुंचा, टोपी की ले आस, हाथ जोड़कर किया नमस्ते, चिंदी दर्दी पास. The same line in the previous page I have typed also in English, and now from here you will only read with the help of Hindi and no English typing format of text will be given to you. दर्जी मामा टोपी सी दो, कर दो ना हमें निराश, नहीं सिली तो कपड़ा काटू जितने भी है तेरे पास. टोपी की तैयार रंगीली बढ़िया फुंटेदार, खुश होकर फिर पीपी बोला मामा बड़े उद्धार. ढोलक मिली कहीं पर उसको, ढोलक मिली कहीं पर उसको, पीटी बारंबार, राजा की टोपी से अच्छी टोपी फुंटेदार. अब ढोलक बजाते हुए वो चूहा गा रहा है कि मेरी टोपी तो राजा की टोपी से भी बेहतरीन है. आखिरकार दर्जी ने डरकर उसे टोपी सीकर दे दी. पास खड़ा था एक सिपाही, वो था एक पहरेदार. पकड़ लिया पीपी को, फिर दी उसको फटकार. टोपी छीनी मारा पीटा, राजा थे नाराज. वे कैद में पी पी भैया बंद हुई उनकी आवाज. Like, share, and subscribe and comment. And do let me know, did you like this method of mine where a child can be given the support, just as support initially, of the English language? That is, a text can be typed in English language for him initially to make him understand the concept, words, vocabulary, and later on, gradually, the child stops taking the help of English language and gradually masters the Hindi language. Do let me know in your comment section, and of course subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for being patient with Clara's Creation.